Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to configure the YouTube integration and integrate it into Postgres. We're going to be using localhost and Docker Compose at this video. So, firstly you want to head over to this URL. I'm going to be putting that in the description. You will see this page. You can ignore this. What you're going to do, firstly, you're going to click on this link. You should see this page. You can dismiss that. You need to create a project first. Click on select a project, new project. I'm just gonna name it Postgres demonstration. It doesn't really matter what you name it. There we go. You can head over to here. Click on there. Search for YouTube. You need to enable these three here. There we go. The setup is a little bit annoying. Go. YouTube. Enable this. This will be the last API to enable. Now all of these APIs are basically to set up the analytics, post videos, etc. Now you need to head over to OAuth consent screen. Get started. Post this. Next. Oh, now this is really important that you use external, as you need internal only for business accounts, which we won't do in this demonstration. You need to put contact information. I agree. Continue. Create. Now on OAuth client, application type, web application, Postgres platform, it doesn't matter where you do it. Now this is important that this exactly matches your URL. Now as we do it on localhost, this will be our IP. Now, as in the previous video, can show you. My URL is 5000, so we need to change that. That's correct. That should work. Create. I'm gonna blur this. Now you need to edit your docker compose.yaml. You can just head over to the environment part at Postgres under services. Go under here. I'm gonna add a comment. Go to the docs again. Here we have IDs. As I've explained previously, you need to format it correctly. I have my client ID here. I have my secret here. Forget to. This is very important that you add these things here, else it will fail. Just add on OK. Let's see if we missed any steps. We made the project. We configured the OAuth credentials. We configured the consent screen, we filled everything correctly in. Now we can just save it. Now we hit a little error there. If you see this error or something similar like that, it means that your Docker Compose version is outdated. I will put the guide how to install this on Windows, etc. soon. In the previous video I've shown you the wrong way to install it. This is the right way over the official documentation. I've run this command here, which will delete all previous packages, and we're going to follow the right documentation. Now I'm going to cut this. I'm just going to put it into the description, the link how to do that. Alright, now that it's finished installing, I can try again, this time without the dash is. Alright, now that we see that for some reason it conflicts, because we have a persistent storage system, it does not matter if we delete the contents. We can just Docker Compose down. This will remove all contents / containers, and let's retry that again. There we go, it started correctly. Let's try accessing it. Localhost 5000. Alright, I waited on it starting. There we go. Let's try adding the channel. Okay, we forgot to add ourselves as a tester. Need to just put in our email. Try again. Let's go back. YouTube. Now this will say that Google hasn't verified this app. This is normal, because you need to verify the app in order for the public to see. Usually this isn't a problem, as you can just add test users here. I'm gonna continue, select all, continue. There we go. Let's try posting something. Let's upload something. Doesn't really matter. There we have it. I'm gonna like testing. Post this. I'm gonna make it private because it's just a test. Post now. Yep, testing. Post now. Let's check on YouTube. There we have the video. Now it will take some time till it's completely finished uploading. That is normal. But if you have any further problems or questions or suggestions or anything, please make sure to write it in the comments so I can assist you with that. I hope that this video was a little bit more helpful, because we know that our documentation is not the best. We're trying to improve it and make videos about a lot of the providers configuration, which we will soon publish. But I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening with us.